Hello, I am Dr. Mohammad Ashraf, Specialist Internal Medicine at Ahalia Hospital, Hamdan. I have more than 15 years of experience in my field and my special field of interest is diabetes. Greetings to you all of the holy month of Ramadan, and since many of our fasting patients are diabetics, I would like to share certain important aspects of Ramadan fasting and diabetes. First of all, can diabetic patients fast during Ramadan? Yes, if your sugars are well controlled by the advice of your treating doctor, you can fast during the month of Ramadan. But if your sugars are not well controlled and if your sugars are fluctuating with frequent high and low levels, and if you are taking insulin 3 to 4 times a day, or if you have other problems along with diabetes like heart disease, kidney disease, then it is not advisable for you to fast during Ramadan. Also, pregnant ladies with diabetes, it's not advisable for them to fast. Also, children with diabetes, it is not advisable for them to fast during Ramadan. Now, what are the common problems faced by the diabetic patients during fasting? First and most common thing is the low sugar or hypoglycemia, which you can recognize with symptoms of sweating, palpitation, tiredness, drowsiness, lethargy. If you develop any of these symptoms, immediately you need to break the fast. And if you have a glucometer, kindly also check your sugar levels. Do not wait for iftar time, even if it's only few minutes left, because this may lead to serious consequences. The second most common thing what the diabetic patients develop during fasting is hyperglycemia or high sugar, which usually leads to dehydration. The symptoms of high sugar or hypoglycemia are increased thirst, increased urination, dry mouth, lethargy, headache. So if you develop any of these symptoms also, you need to break the fast, take plenty of water and consult your doctor immediately for further treatment. Regarding the diet, dietary management is an important aspect for diabetic patients during Ramadan. As advisable during other times, even during Ramadan, diabetic patients should follow a very healthy diet pattern. Carbohydrates, you can take whole grain cereals, whole wheat atta, multigrain atta, etc. and avoid white rice and maida, etc. Take plenty of vegetables and also take fruits which are allowed in diabetics like oranges, apple, guava, berries, etc. Pulses can be taken in good amounts in the form of salad or in any other form, and non-vegetarian foods you can take like lean meat, chicken, fish, but kindly avoid fried items. And very important thing is during fasting, kindly avoid fried foods, sweets and sugary items, because this not only will increase your diabetes, also it will cause other problems like cholesterol, dehydration, etc. Regarding the medications, please remember that during Ramadan, do not stop medications assuming that fasting alone will control your diabetes. Kindly consult your doctor either pre-Ramadan or during Ramadan and take proper advice regarding the medications. Again, I wish you all a happy Ramadan. I pray Almighty to grant us good health and success. If you have any concerns regarding diabetes, you can please consult me at Ahalia Hospital, Hamdan. I can converse with you in languages like English, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada and Tamil. Thank you.